So direct variation. So this is a type of variation. This is a type of variation in which increase in one quantity leads to increase in another quantity. That's when this one increases, the other quantity increases, or when the quantity A decreases. When quantity A increases, quantity B increases also. When quantity A decreases, or when quantity A decreases, quantity B will have to what? Decrease. So it is called a direct variation. A direct variation. Direct variation. When it increases, this guy increases. When this one decreases, this guy also what? Decreases. We'll go to the examples of direct variation. The circumference of a circle. Notice that the circumference of a circle. Let me give you an example. I have a circle. This is a circle with diameter. Now, if the circle increases, obviously the diameter will have to what? Increase. That's why it is a direct variation. Increase in the circle, increase in the circumference leads to a direct increase in the what? Diameter. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Cost of good. Now, cost of goods, I guess. Yes. So now in cost of goods, check it out. In cost of goods. Now, if an egg costs 500 naira, how many can I get for 1,500 naira? It's common sense. It means that one egg is 500. Now check it. If I want more egg, I'll have more money. It means that since I have more money, which is 1,500 naira, so I will check the money increased to 1,500. It means that this will just give me 3 eggs because the egg will have to increase since I have more money. That's just it. So the more you want the gold, the more the money will increase. We'll move on to the next one. The next one is the speed and the distance. If I'm to travel from here, from Enugu to Abuja, for an example. Now, if it's going to take me 5 kilometers, if it's going to take me 5 kilometers, it means to travel from Enugu to a place, let's say Kaduna. Let's say Kaduna. It means it's going to take me 20 kilometers because Kaduna is farther than it. So the more the distance of the place I'm going, it means that I have to increase. It leads to direct change. So if I'm traveling from here to US, I should prepare my mind I'm going to apply more change because it will not be exact distance. Okay, we'll go to the next one, the hourly wage. It means that if I'm working for 1 hour and I'm earning, if I'm working for 1 hour and I'm earning $1,000, it means that if I'm going to work for 5 hours, it means I'm going to earn more, meaning 5 times $1,000, which is $5,000. And that's just it. So the more the hour, it leads to the more the wage. That's just it on direct variation. So we're going to see problems on direct variation. We're going to see case 1, case 2, and the application, and then we're done with direct variation. Thank you. So example 1 is if m varies directly as n, and m is 15 when n is 3. Find the equation connecting m and n. Find n when m equals 25. So there is one thing I need to note here. The thing I need you to note is about this directly. So this is a direct variation, and then you need to note this equation connecting. Now, noting this equation connecting is simple. So we move. So if m varies directly as n, now you can write this as m varies directly as n. Then after this step, the next step is to remove this variation sign. You have m equals k times n. After this step, the next step is just to find out the first numbers given. First number given is that m equals 15 and n equals 3. So bringing it here, we'll have that 15 is equal to k times 3. Solving for k, we'll have that it is 15 over 3, which is 5. Now, hence, question I, to find the equation connecting m and n. Actually, the equation connecting m and n is this, but we need to have the value of this fixed. So this is just m equals to our k is 5. This is 5n, and that is it. We go for the second question. Question II. So we should find the value of n when m is 25. This is simple. Bring back your equation. We have m equals to 25. We have n unknown. That's this guy. So we'll bring back our equation using m equals to 5n. We have that m is 25 equals to 5n. Divide both side by 5. Divide both side by 5. This can take this, meaning that my n will be this. Divide this is 5. And that's just it for this example 1. Let's see example 2. Okay, so the question is, if y is directly proportional. Now, this is directly proportional. We interpret immediately with our solution box. Solution can divide this so that half. If y is directly proportional, right? Y is directly proportional to the square root of x. Square root of x. And that's just it. So after this, we'll have that y equals, removing this, we'll have k times root x. So we pick these two. Y is equal to 16 and x is equal to 4. So we'll have 16 equals to k times root 4. This is equal to k times root 4 is 2. 16. Therefore, my k is equal to 16 over 2, which is 8. Now, we can answer the first question, which is find the connecting formula. Simple. I told you it is here. So my y is equal to 8 root x. 8 root x. So find the value of y when x is this. So have here that x is 36. Y is unknown. So simply we have bring back this using y equals to 8 root x. This gives me y equals to 8 root, what is my x? 36. Y equals to 8 times This square root of 36 is 6. 3 times this is 48. And that's just it. So let's do one more example and give our classwork.